Hi, I'm Christine Cowan. Introducing MagnaFingers, a tool that picks up pins and needles, holds them till you're ready for them, and easily releases them where you want them, without hurting your fingers. MagnaFingers can grab things, even from carpet, even things you can't see. Its strong magnet can hold over 100 straight pins at once. It can pick up needles that are hard to grasp. And you can use MagnaFingers as a releasing pin cushion. Just drop pins on the underside as you sew, grab one if you want it, and release them all when you're done sewing. We invite you to make your cleanup job easier and save your fingers by shopping for a MagnaFingers today. They are also good for paper clips, staples, lost screws, fish hooks, and more. The magnet is so strong that you can even hang MagnaFingers on your cabinet or fridge. MagnaFingers are available in a variety of colors. Which one do you like best? They are 3D printed, so we have the flexibility to offer custom colors. MagnaFingers was invented by my son, 13-year-old Owen Cowan, who spilled fish hooks on his carpet. He wanted to pick up the fish hooks with a magnet, but he didn't want to hurt his fingers pulling the sharp items off of the magnet. He developed MagnaFingers, then improved the design further and was awarded a patent. Now I make them in our home with 3D printing. Check out MagnaFingers and start picking up pins easily and without hurting your fingers. Your friends will like them too.